Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact problem in Search Console, open the coverage report, and inspect a representative URL. Once done, use URL inspection to fetch and render. This reveals server responses and blocked resources. Make sure robots. TXT permits crawling and scan the page for meta-noindex, canonical pointing away, or xrobot stag headers. If any of those block indexing, fix them immediately. Otherwise, proceed to content and sitemap steps to influence Google's indexing queue. Next, you focus on why Google may deprioritize indexing: thin or duplicate content, weak internal links, or rendering issues. Rewrite or expand content to add unique value and intent-based answers, and implement relevant structured data to clarify purpose. Once done, add 3 contextual internal links from high-traffic pages and ensure anchors are descriptive. Then audit front-end performance, reduce render blocking JS/CSS, compress images, and confirm the page fully renders within a few seconds. Finally, once you've fixed blockers, improved content, and strengthened internal links, run URL inspection and request indexing. Then submit an updated sitemap highlighting priority pages. Make sure you stagger requests and avoid mass resubmits that look like spam. After requesting, monitor Search Console for status updates and impressions. Changes can take days. If the page remains crawled currently not indexed beyond 2 weeks, re-audit crawl budget. Check server logs for soft 404. And consider consolidating similar pages or improving external links to increase priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.